Tony and not answer. Seems like she vexed with me. Oh God. Why, Tony? I'm here to check on your mechanic. Tony,
In the flesh.
what you do here? Matter of fact, anybody see you come in here?
Sit down. So what you try to tell me is that you and Zero, they're together all this time. And tell you everything. But him not tell you nothing about the thumb drive. That you try to tell me.
Look here. You called me and you asked me about a thumb drive and I told you that I don't know nothing about a thumb drive. I never discussed nothing about a thumb drive.
Explain something to you so you can overs. Some information there on the thumb drive there, but very important to me. I need to know where it's there.
Tony, I swear, I don't know nothing about a thumb drive.
So what Zero tell you about me?
Him just tell me say yeah somebody who him know a long time. Him never tell me nothing else.
Only that?
Yes, only that.
So he never tell you so me can look on somebody and know when they might tell lie. The fear in your eyes betrays the lie on your tongue.
What you really want from me?